Hey friend, this is Amin and welcome back to my YouTube channel Web Scraping Service. In this YouTube channel now I will show you how to scrape any website using the Google Spreadsheet. Before starting the tutorial, I am requesting you, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And after watching this video, if you need any kind of help about web scraping, lead generation, data entry, PDF to Excel, or any kind of data entry project, please feel free to contact me. I have a large team and we do this kind of projects for our clients with very cheap rate and 100% accurately. So friends, let's start the tutorial. This is the website my client gave me. So the website is, you see that, 3bestrated.com, and in that website there are a lot of United States, and in the all United States, and there are a lot of cities. So I hope 52 United States here, and in under the 52 United States there are 200 city here. So my clients gave me to scrape all the data from all the city. So now I will show you the technique how you can easily scrape this kind of website using the Google Spreadsheet very easily. So you have to watch the full video very attentively to understand what I will explain in this video. So here I am just showing you the one city here. So this city is under the Arizona state. There is a city, Chandler. So I just opened this city in new tab, and when I opened this city in new tab, you see that I found this is the all the business here. I found lot of business here, lot of category here. So in that section I just want to choose one category. This is the custom cabinet. I'm just showing you the one category here. Okay, so when you choose the custom cabinet in Chandler, in every category, in every category in a proper city, you will get 3 business. So here you see that we get only 3 business here. So in each category, under the local service main category and under the one city Chandler, you will get only 3 business. So it is really really time wasting to collect the every city manually or anything, but I will show you the some advanced technique. With this technique you can easily scrape this website like this website very easily using the Google Spreadsheet. So first of all, you have to open a Google Spreadsheet. I just take a Google Spreadsheet and I just name the Google Spreadsheet is the sample or test something. Okay, I just take it test, and here for that what you have to do, you have to copy the website here. First of all, you have to take one website. So I just take the website here. This is a website, so I just write the website URL here, and I just want to okay, I just freeze the first row here, and this is the website URL I found, and here I just want to insert another row. This will be the XPath. So I will write the XPath here. So this is reason I just insert the XPath. So here I will write the XPath. The XPath is the most important parts for this. The XPath is the most important parts for scraping any data when using the Google Spreadsheet or any kind of software, which I have explained in my YouTube channel in the various video. So what you have to do, I have just copied the website here, and then I have to write the XPath for every data here. First of all, I will write the XPath for the business name, then I will write the XPath for the business website, then I will write the email, and everything I will show. Okay, so to write the XPath for the business name we will use export tester. You already know the name of that website, you already know the name of that extension. The name of that extension is Google Exporter. Go to the Google Web Store, Chrome Web Store, and you will find this exporter here. Okay, so I will also give the link of that exporter in my video description, and you will get easily here. So using this exporter we can easily find out any kind of export from the website. So for that, just click on here and it will give you the pop-up window, and here we have to write the export, and here the result will automatically scrap. So you see that I want to write the export for that business name. So to write the export for the business name, just right click on the business name and just click on here inspect element. When you click on inspect element, you see that okay, you see that this is the business name. When my cursor is on the business name, you see that data is on the website is automatically selected. So you see that this is a business name, and this business name is under the HTML tag strong, and this HTML tag strong is under the HTML tag h4, and this h4 is under the URL list. Okay, and this and all these are under this div, and the name of this div is product inner. When you choose this div class, you see that the whole div, all the information under this div is automatically selected. You see that when my mouse is on the div class, the whole div is automatically selected. Okay, but we need only the business name from this div. To get the business name from the div, first of all we will start to write our export from this div. To write this div, we know that export basically starts with //. So I just write // then write the div. When I write div, you see that lot of data is automatically scraped here, but we have to filter our target data. For that, you have to here you see that this div has a class. That means the identification. This div has a class. This exporter highlight, it is nothing, it is just automatically generated because of that Google Chrome extension. Understand? So don't worry when you see this, but the main thing is div class is product inner. So we will choose this div class to filter our target data. And when we write any kind of class or any kind of HTML coding, then this is called attribute, and we write the attribute within the third bracket, and we must use an @ sign when we write attribute. So in this case the attribute is class. So div has an attribute and the attribute name is class. Okay, so this is reason I just write the @ sign to show to identify the attribute and just paste the class here. Okay, and this one I just want to remove because it is not our parts. Okay, so you see that when we identify only this class which has when we identify this div which has a class product inner, you see that all the data which has a div and which has attribute class all are scrapped here. So all the data, this business name, this and all data is automatically scrapped here. We just identify our specific data. That means this specific data is the business name. So for that we have to filter more, we have to do more filter. So to to filter our data, we see that here the URL under the div there is an URL class, and this URL class is already closed here. This is the opening URL and this is the closed URL. As this URL is automatically closed here, so we will not take this one. But here you see that this h4 is closed, and here and the business name is on the is under on the h4. This is reason we will ignore this URL list. We will choose the h4, and for that we will filter again. The more filter, you have to write the forward slash and just h4. We will write the h4. When you write the h4, you see that we get only the business name here, but we want to be more specific, and for that reason here you see that there is another HTML coding. The name of the HTML coding is strong. So I want to be more specific. This is reason I just want to write the strong here. So when this is the exact export, when you write this exact export here, you see that all the data which has this export is automatically selected here. Okay, so now I will copy this export from here and go to the Google Spreadsheet and paste it, this export in that column. Okay, in that column, in column C, and here we have to write one export, and here we will write the business name. I am explaining more details to get this export, because in the other parts I will just show you how I can easily get the export, but we will not explain so much, because if you understand this export, how I have write everything in details, I hope you will be easily write the other export from that web page. So here I just paste the export here, and here I will write one formula. The formula is import XML. Here I have to write the import XML, then I have to choose this the source link, and here I have to select this export. When you select these two parts, then click on enter. When you click on enter, you see that within a few seconds we successfully get our 3 business name in the Google Spreadsheet. I just want to okay, and I just want to show you. Okay, so we get our business name from that page very successfully. Now I will write the export for the web. Here the address, for the address, the same process I will follow to write the export for the street address. Just right click on here, and you see that you right click on here, and you see that this website, here is the data which we need here. Here is the data, and you see that I just want to show it. Here is the data we need, and this data has the same thing, and this data is also in the product inner, and the business name was under the h4, but this one, the address is under the h5. You see that h5. So all things will be the same only, and it is also there is an anchor text here. You see that. So the business is already under the anchor text. In that section, the business name was in under the strong. Here you see that the business name was surrounded by the strong, but in that case the strong will be replaced by the anchor text A. So I have already write the XPath for this one, and I just want to check this one here. Okay, so here you can easily write, just change your XPath here, just write F5 here, and in that section just strong will be replaced by anchor text A. When you replace this XPath here, you see that data is automatically scraped here. Now just copy this XPath here and paste it here. Okay, just paste it here. Friends, one thing keep in mind that this XPath you have to write only for one time, and then you will just copy the copy the URL in that column, and you will get data automatically. So only when you are writing the XPath will take some more times, but once you have write your XPath, then 95% project is automatically finished. So friends, you have to understand this one. So here I just want to write the address, so I just want to write address, and here just copy this one, just copy this one. But there will be some problem because here the source URL is on the column B, but here it is in C. So I just want to change this one as column B. Okay, then just click on here enter. When I click on enter, you see that 3 business addresses automatically scrapped in column D. So friends, in my next video I will explain how we can get the column, how we can get the email address and the phone number and web address from that website. As the video is little longer, so I will now stop this video. Please watch my next video to understand the full process. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take care and pray for me.